Tersano cleans, deodorizes and sanitizes any washable surface without chemicals. After using normal cleaning chemicals for years, Havencab, one of Australia's largest commercial cleaning companies, switched to Tersano stabilized aqueous ozonated water, using it across their entire portfolio, from shopping malls to an outdoor waterside wharf to toilets and kitchens. Here's Frank Barros from Havencab to tell us all about how they use Tersano everywhere.
Tersano Lotus Pro is an effective chemical-free cleaning system that turns ordinary tap water into aqueous ozone, nature's most versatile super cleaner. It's powerful, cost-effective, safe, chemical-free, sustainable, and it's changing the way the world cleans. Tersano's Lotus Pro cleaning system transforms ordinary tap water into the world's most effective chemical-free commercial cleaner by infusing it with ozone. This environmentally friendly aqueous ozone eliminates germs, odours, stains, mould, mildew and other contaminants on any item or surface before changing safely back into water and oxygen. The Tersano Lotus Pro is HACCP approved as sanitizer for food preparation areas. It can be used in spray bottles, mopping systems, auto scrubbers and carpet extractors, making it the perfect solution for commercial cleaning. Havencab was the first company in Australia to adopt the Tersano Lotus Pro at Sydney's Finger Wharf.
Havencab has been at the forefront of sustainable cleaning for many years. Our green cleaning system is considered by many as best practice in the industry, delivering remarkable savings and reductions of water, energy, carbon, waste. And we now have the ability, through Tersano, to reduce our chemical use by 93%. The Tersano Lotus Pro helps us comply with all the Green Star performance benchmarks for cleaning, and we can readily clean all 5-star and 6-star rated properties. We are using the Tersano Lotus Pro in many sectors, from retail to residential to commercial. Some of the buildings include Camaray Square, Jackson's Landing, Diversity and Rise, Finger Wharf and Scenic Wall, to name a few.
Our cleaners love Tersano Lotus Pro, as there is no more mixing of chemicals, breathing in toxic chemical vapors, no allergic reactions with skin contact, and it cleans and sanitizes with ease. Our staff use it on all kinds of surfaces, from tiles, windows, stainless steel, timber, carpet, porcelain, virtually everywhere. We find Tersano Lotus Pro in many ways outperforms traditional chemical cleaners at a fraction of the cost. It's stronger than bleach, but it is the safest, most environmentally friendly cleaner on the market. Finger Wharf is the largest remaining timber pile wharf in the world. Because it is a heritage building, the challenge was to find something that could be used on all surfaces and had great disinfecting and sanitizing properties that would not damage them. Tersano Lotus Pro was the only product on the market that met that criteria, and it was safe and so simple to adopt and use.
The sustainable benefits and product lifecycle of the Lotus Pro ensures we are delivering on our environmental vision and leaving behind a legacy for our children. It's the cleaning of the future.